this video, I will show you how to format data in Excel. For example, we have here our payroll database. First, let us use some number formatting tool. In that case, let me focus on the starting salary column. Let's say we need to add a currency symbol on this number data. In order to add formatting for currency symbol, highlight the data of starting salary, right click, and then go to Format Cells. Next, under Format Cells, select Number tab, and from Number tab, you have here different options. Let's stick with Currency tab, and then on the symbol, you can simply select all available currency symbol. In our case, we need to use PHP. So let me click on any currency symbol. If I need to jump to letter P, just press letter P in my keyboard. And automatically Excel will go to the list of letter P. Scroll bar a little bit, and you can find here the PHP symbol. So click that one, and then click OK. Excel will add the currency format in this column. However, as we noticed, PHP is displayed right before the number. What if, let's say, for example, you need to display PHP on the left side of the cell and number on the right side of the cell? You can right-click on that column H selection, go back to Format Cells, click Alignment tab. Alignment tab allows us to control the alignment of the values within the cell. So in that case, if I want to move PHP symbol to the left side and number to the right side, you can click Text Alignment, Distributed Indent. Click OK. Excel will now display PHP on the left and number on the right side of the starting salary column. Next, let's try to add a date format. Now, I have here the date employed column. I want to add another column that will display the day name of the following dates. Let me add a column here, highlight date employed, and copy paste to the next column. Let me change this to day name. In order to update value from H7 to H26 to day name, you can simply highlight this column, right-click, Format Cells, and then under Number tab, you can select Custom tab and type 4-letter Ds. 4-letter Ds will display the day name of the selected date. Click OK. Then these are the day names of the following date employed. What else? For formatting, you can simply apply formatting for the header. Like for example, if you want to change the font color or the cell color of the selected cell. In that case, you can right-click, Format Cells, go to Font, select any available colors. Let's say for color, let me use in the white color for font. And then for the fill, let me apply black. So click OK. This is my header now. I want to implement this header format for the rest of the remaining headers. You don't need to repeat the step per column. You can simply click on Cell Basics, go to Format Painter, highlight from family name, up to the starting salary column. Format Painter can duplicate the format that you selected. You don't need to repeat the steps. Format Painter will do that. Next, I want to change the border of the header to make it white. So let me highlight the following columns. Right click, format cells. If you want to apply border color, so click on the border, select the color, white, and you have here the areas where you want to implement the format of the border. You can simply click one by one, or you can simply click on the outline and inside. If done, click OK. The format for the header is turned into white. All right. Now, the last thing that I would like to show you is the format using the protection tab. Select any cell, go to Format Cells, and we have here the Protection tab. The Protection tab under Format Cells is used whenever we need to implement data security. For example, I want to lock all these cells except the first name and the last name column. How do we do that? First, highlight the entire table from B6 to I26. Right-click, Format Cells. Make sure that the lock is checked for the selection. Now, highlight again the family name starting from C7 to D26. If you want to exempt this area for data security, you can do right-click, Format Cells, uncheck the lock property, and click OK. Right? In that case, if you want to implement the lock property, you can go to Review, click Protect Sheet, and add password 123. Enter. Type the password 123, and let's check it out. If you try to double click on the cell, by default you cannot edit because the lock properties are checked in this area. But in family name, once you double click, you can modify or you can change the family name. Okay, and that's it on how to format data in Microsoft Excel.